So pretty much if my setup looks a little bit different, it's because I currently moved into a new home. I still haven't set everything up. There's still a couple of things that I need to set up, but yeah, I just want to say, just in case you find the lighting a little weird or something. Hey, what's up? Alright, so I promised in my community post that I would make a bruh rap song. Over 70 people voted in that community post, and majority of the votes were yes. So, I already did make the song, but I'm gonna show you guys how I made it, I guess. And yeah, then I'll show you how everything turned out. Alright, so these are the vocals mixed right here, but I'm not gonna mess with those just yet. Let's go to the bruh song FLP, which in case you guys don't know, it's basically where it's saved. I don't know, you don't need to know that. So this is the beat. Believe it or not, this is actually the main melody. Bruh. It's just that simple. Got 6 patterns here, so what is this? Oh yeah, this is just a little nice touch to add in with the little bruh sound effect. Here, I believe this is the drums? Oh no, these are the 808s. And 4 over here we have the drums, which is just, it's a simple hip-hop type, you know, I don't know what that was. This, I think it's just another bruh sound effect. Bruh. Yeah, and over the last pattern of the beat, we got bruh, 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 bruh. Yeah, it's all bruh. I'm gonna show you over here. These are the raw bruh lyrics, the lyrics, because I wrote the lyrics down here in Notepad, but yeah, obviously I needed to get the vocals mixed, so I do my mixing in FL Studio. This is how it kind of sounds like. You know I'm bringing heat when bruh hops on the beat, you know. Yeah, so that's kind of how. Yeah, so that's how it sounds like mixed. And let me see if I find the raw. Look at all of these, bruh. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, these should be the raw ones. Seller, but it will by time do better. Yeah, this is the raw lyrics. It's a I don't know. It's a kind of big difference, but still kind of small. But it still makes it better. Just you'll see. Then we get to the last FLP saved, which it's where I added in all the ad-libs, which if you don't know what ad-libs are, they're basically this. You already know. And that's basically how I made the entire song. I know this is a very short video, it's kind of unusual, but I thought it could be fun to make it because I don't think anyone else has made it. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know, I haven't even searched it up yet, but it's trust me, it's an idea from the top of my head. And yeah, here's the final product. Bruh. You already know. It's your boy. Back another bruh. Am I right? Bruh. Yeah. Let's get right to the beat. You know I'm bringing heat when bruh hops on the beat. You know me, I turn from legendary to superhuman mega beat. I turn this meme into a seller, but it will by time do better as I rap because laugh at this beat. No help was needed because I am just undefeated. When it comes to this, I just need to take the piss and things will rise above like the abyss. Like mediocre to Shrek as the beautiful over. You thought it was over? Well, not until I get tired of repeating my lyrics. Now take a seat, it's almost over. Why is this beat so long? Jesus. Okay.